Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to Beauty and More and with another video, and this one is an outfit from scratch. I know a lot of you were asking about my Eid outfit on my Instagram and I was like, wait for it, I'm coming up with a video and here we are. Thoda late ho gaya, but I'm happy that finally I'm shooting this video now. Also, bachcho ki awaaz aa rahi is because it's vacation and you can see kids playing in the building and I'm on the lower floor, so you can hear kids. Please bear with me, I can't really do anything about it. So yeah, so this time when I was trying to do an outfit from scratch inspired by any particular outfit, I did not hit anything in one day set, and I just thought, let's check out what is there on internet and what is something that's gonna make me do that thing. And once I just randomly went to Sabyasachi and I was just going through their outfits, and a lot, like, this is not a new collection or something, like this is not something they have done recently, they have done like a few months back. And when I saw this outfit, I was like, I really like it, and I wanted an outfit that I could wear it again later on, and it should not be too heavy, though it is heavy for me. Or this outfit is also a little heavy for me, but I was like, I can use this at least in a wedding, or if I'm going out or any kind of dawat that we have, we can definitely reuse this outfit and not just Eid pe pehne ke baad rakh diya. Came across this beautiful outfit and I decided, let's do this outfit from scratch. I knew it is gonna be difficult because not about the laces that were there in this, but the fact that the fabric, I wanted something very similar of the outfit, and the way it was designed, the whole look, and the long kurtis are something that I really like. So I just thought, let's go for this one. Firstly, when I thought of this outfit, I knew I was not gonna design it here in Pune. I was planning to go Mumbai and find everything and do the outfit from scratch in Mumbai, but then I thought, let's give it a try here in Pune. I was in Pune and I was like, यहाँ देखते हैं अगर यहाँ कुछ हो सका, like if I could find a fabric or lace or anything, let's take some part of it from here and some part in Mumbai. अगर कुछ यहाँ नहीं मिला तो we'll go Mumbai and we'll get it from there. But luckily एक दिन में ही we kind of managed to take everything. So there's this market here in Pune called Clover, I think, and वहाँ you will get all the fabrics, lace, ready-made outfits and a lot of things. So it's a big market here. It is expensive, I mean it is quite expensive. If I have done this outfit in Mumbai, इतना महंगा नहीं पड़ता I feel, but then traveling and Mumbai में अगर मुझे एक time पे नहीं मिलता, then I would have to go back again. So it was a more safer option to do it here. I actually went shopping and I looked for every single thing. It was just me and my husband. Also, I am not the one who actually goes for such thing because I always have my mom. My mom is the one who's so into all these things that she knows how much of the lace I'll be needing, how much of the fabric I'll be needing. I was on call with her all the time. Top के लिए कितना लेना है, दुपट्टे के लिए कितना लेना है, कितना lace लगेगी. I kind of messed it up once when I came back to Mumbai. कि थोड़ा बहुत लेस कम पड़ गया, but we managed. I did not buy anything extra because budget already बहुत high था. तो yeah, let's get into the video. So we are here in the Shivaji market to hunt the fabric. हम पता नहीं, coming here for the first time. वो भी हमको टेलर ने recommend किया for the fabric. क्या हुआ? हाँ, मैं देखते मिल जाएगा शायद कुछ. मैं लाइक दिस भी अच्छा लगा. कौन सा फैब्रिक पे? देखो, दुपट्टे के लिए देख रहे फैब्रिक. दुपट्टे में भी हल्की सी डिटेल्स दी हुई है. देखो दुपट्टे में ऐसा डिटेल दिया, अगर ऐसा कुछ सिमिलर, बट खाली कलर का इशू. अगर वाइट है तो ऑफ वाइट कराना पड़ेगा कलर. ये भी प्रिटी है. हाँ देखो, ये इसके साथ ऑलमोस्ट जा रहा है, बट कलर ये बहुत हैवी हो जाएगा. है अच्छा है, बहुत प्यारा है. इसका कुर्ती वुर्ती भी बनाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. नहीं, बट इट डजंट गो विद द होल लुक ना. इसका जो लुक है, दिस थिंग, वो चले जाएगा. दोनों ऑप्शन ही बेस्ट है. वो जो स्टार्टिंग में देखे एक वो, और एक जो अभी जस्ट दुपट्टा देखे. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, वही ले लेना चाहिए? इसी में कुछ दिखाओ मुझे. बट कलर मैचिंग है क्या? वो नहीं, कलर नहीं मैचिंग है. बट डाई करके भी आएगा नहीं एग्जैक्ट सेम शायद. तो इससे मैचिंग है, इट्स जस्ट कि वो सेम प्रिंट नहीं है. आई थिंक ये मिलना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. गो फॉर समथिंग लाइक दिस, वो टॉप पे मैचिंग नहीं होगा. दिस इज मैचिंग ना, बट ये मैच हो रहा है. ये लग अच्छा रहा है. पिक टॉप ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. इसका दुपट्टा ढूंढना भी वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
Why?
फाइनलाइज हो गया ये वाला इट्स नॉट मैचिंग ना भैया, वो मैचिंग है प्रॉपर, ये मैचिंग है. अगेन देन वी गेट दिस बॉर्डर करामा, वी हैव टू रिमूव दैट. फैब्रिक ही वेस्ट है. नहीं पैंट तो अपन भूल गए थे, अभी याद है. वी कैन टेक दिस, दिस इज परफेक्टली मैचिंग. ये क्या मीटर है? 250. पूरा ऐसा बॉर्डर बनाना है वो आउट पीस पर कुर्ती. कुर्ती बनी. हाँ तो ये ऐसा पूरा बॉर्डर. हाँ तो मुझे हाँ बता दो कितना मीटर लगेगा. Matching as far as possible and I feel this is pretty good to what we see in this. वो हो जाना चाहिए hopefully. हो गया. Dress material, lace, everything is done. Show you the close up of the outfit. So this is the outfit and you can see the detailings. So there's a lot of lace that went into it and this is basically the dupatta. I was really confused for the fabric of the dupatta because I didn't wanted something heavy, so I went for this one. And as you can see in the video previously के दुपट्टे के लिए जो मैंने लेस लिया था उसमें I have done little bit of changes because थोड़ा बहुत कम पड़ रहा था. I'm happy I did not border on one side and the rest 3 sides were just like this much and one side was like quite broad. I want a little more but lace kam pad gayi, so I kind of managed with this only and I'm happy that I did not made it little broad because फिर use करने में it would have been difficult. And this is the sleeves, the front of the kurti and this has I think 8 or 9 layers of lace. That time I thought it's gonna be little more broad but it did not turn out to be that broad. We kind of messed up a bit in terms of thoda or broad ho sakta tha. I could have done like till this much but I've just done this much and I feel this is pretty enough. I think बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा होता that would have been more stiff and उसका इतना look नहीं आता. So that is the reason. The one thing that I was more scared of was the bottom because in that if you can see they have a churidar and I didn't want it to go with a churidar. I did not had a proper picture of what I'm gonna do as a bottom but the first thing for me it was the dupatta and the kurti should match perfectly or very similar to what it is in the picture and I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this outfit. You can rate this outfit out of 10. And for the bottom I wanted to go for something very comfortable क्योंकि पूरा look इसका was in the dupatta and the kurti, so bottom was not the attraction and I wanted to go with something that I can reuse it and wear it again. And churidar was something that I was not comfortable or not sure about it, so I went for this pants which was a very similar color of the outfit and I just wanted to keep it comfortable and simple, straight pant kind of a thing which I think looked really good on the outfit. Thoda confusion tha if I want to go with a straight pant or I want something flared but I think if I would have gone for a flared thing ye iska look bahut change ho jata, the whole outfit would have turned out to be something else and I'm happy I went for this. This was comfortable as well as it was looking good on the outfit. कर लो जितनी लगेगी एंड बाद में अपन देख लेंगे. ये जो लेस लिया था ये थोड़ी कम पड़ गई तो ये कवरिंग इट अप विद दिस लेस, इससे हो जाएगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. बट ये प्लान में चेंज है कि हम पहले आगे पीछे दोनों करें तो मैंने डूइंग फ्रंट नॉट द बैक एंड द रीजन आपको बाद में बताती हूँ. So as I told you guys, I'm going to get my clothes stitched for Eid. So I've decided, actually मेरा पहला plan था to get it stitched in Pune, but now I've decided that I should get it stitched here because that fabric is expensive. That outfit is gonna be like very special, so I just don't want it to get spoiled. And मैं पहले भी लोखंडवाला से stitch करवाती थी from the tailor that I normally get it stitched. I just thought I'll get it stitched here only. वैसे भी it's before Ramzan, so hopefully 3-4 दिन में he should be able to give it. I will just go and ask him. And the outfit का problem is the outfit is very simple but the tailor should understand how to place the laces क्योंकि मैंने picture ली, I'll be showing him that. So yeah, I just hope the outfit turns out good. Now everything is in the hands of the tailor and वो कैसे बनाता है because I've done everything from the lace, from the fabric and everything. Now it's completely on the tailor. So let's hope he does his work well and the outfit will turn out pretty good then. देखो कपड़े एग्जैक्टली ऐसे सीना, जरा भी खराब नहीं करना, लेसेस सब ड्यू और लेसेस उसके हिसाब से ही लगाना, ऐसे ही पूरा, हाँ पूरा जो डिटेल दिया ना वैसे ही देना। इसलिए मैं तुमको ये भी पिक्चर भेज दूंगी और लेस का भी जैसे उसको सेट करना है वो भी भेज दूँगी। तो स्टिचिंग का काम हो गया है, टेलर को दे दिया अभी। आई जस्ट होप ही स्टिचेस वेल, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द टेलर नाउ। The total in this one, so I have actually wrote it down the cost and breakout of everything in this book. I knew मैं भूल जाऊँगी, so I have it here. So the outfit costed me around 8,200 rupees, including everything. The top was around 500 rupees. He told us 600 के आसपास कुछ, and I kind of got him down, which came around 500 rupees for 2.5 meter, which was 1250. Then dupatta was 350 rupees meter. I felt dupatta was expensive, मुझे मुंबई में और सस्ते में मिल जाता था. So 350 rupees into 2.5 meter, which was 875, and then bottom was 225. He told us 250 and gave us in 225, which was 2.5 meter. That costed that costed us 562 rupees. And the inner for the outfit, because the outfit needed an inner because the fabric was quite sheer, so that costed around 300 rupees for the top and the bottom both. And the lace was the most expensive thing. I was like, जब मैं lace का, I was giving her the idea about how I want the things, and I did not ask about the price. I was just like so into it कि मैं price पूछना भूल गई. And as soon as we went to get the total done, it was 3,600, and I was like 3,600 just for the lace is way too much. I feel ये हमें मुंबई में could have costed us around 2,000 or 2,500 max. We could have still saved like 1,000 rupees and outfit और सस्ते में हो जाता था. But I did not had any other option. I didn't want to go Mumbai. So यही option था, so I just went for it, and I just felt it is too expensive. And the lace and the inner and all that raw material kind of thing costed us around 6,587 rupees. And the stitching for this outfit was 1,500. Though that uncle is someone we normally get our outfit stitched, and he kind of charged less, I felt. I think it could have been 1,800. He charged us 1,500. And dupatta, basically I had to give it to some other tailor. If you have seen in the video, I gave it to the tailor just in front of me, so I could give him the idea how I wanted. And lace बहुत cut to cut थी for the dupatta, so he charged us 150 rupees to put the lace all over the dupatta. The grand total of this outfit is 8,237 rupees, and I just felt it just went too high. I mean, I could have done this around 6,000 max, not 8,200. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. But I'm kind of happy, and I just feel next time I'll keep thing in mind that I should stick to the budget as well. And मेरे लिए it was like कि I don't think I'll be able to make it, and मुझे चीज़ें ढूंढना would have been very difficult, especially in Pune. तो मैंने price को इतना consider नहीं किया, and realize किया बाद में that it has turned out to be 8,200 rupees. I just felt कि थोड़ा कम हो सकता था. मुझे price hit जब हुई, जब when we went for the lace, and that's when I kind of felt it could have been cheaper. That's the only thing I felt was little expensive. Otherwise fabric I feel it's quite similar to what we get in Mumbai. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता था, but laces were too expensive. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what would you rate this outfit. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful in any ways, and also if you are planning to make an outfit from scratch, keep in mind the budget and comment and let me know what would you rate this outfit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so don't miss any of the videos. And we have a complete video on my Instagram page of this outfit, so check my Instagram ID and follow me there too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.